SGDs, or small group discussions. In other medical schools, it's called focus group discussions, are an essential component of medical school. Medical school is, of course, not just purely lectures. There's a substantial amount of time where SGDs happen. SGDs are essentially case-based discussions where medical students will be assigned into groups, and each group has an assigned professor, a preceptor, and each SGD will have a specific case, a specific topic to touch on. For example, today we have an SGD where the case is about dengue. And for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, we'll talk about just dengue. The next day, we'll have an SGD about a fictitious patient with hypertension, stage 2. And so the SGD will talk about nothing else but hypertension. SGDs are graded and they usually form a significant portion of the medical student's grade. So it's important to be participative during SGDs, but a good tip is always never hug the discussion.